1 month from today, it's Christmas Eve. Food and lifestyle expert Pay Chen has a few entertaining ideas to start working on now or start looking at now. Hello, nice to see you again.
Hey, Annette, thank you. Yeah, we are 1 month away, and I think that's plenty of time. So whether we're 1 month or 1 week away, there's no reason for people to put so much pressure on themselves. I think this year,
Especially this year.
especially if yes, especially this year, if we're still able to celebrate the holidays in some way, then let's savor that. Savor the moment with our, immediate family or friends, and appreciate the fact that we still get to do this. So, a couple of ideas for someone who loves to cook and make, but also who knows a lot of food people that I want to gift things to. For me, one of the traditions is holiday baking. I love the smell of chocolate and butter filling my kitchen. And to me is when I know the holidays are coming. And I was really excited actually to work with Lindt this year and develop some beautiful holiday baking recipes. Of course, chocolate is for me one of the best things to gift and receive. And Lindt has beautiful boxes which are ready and packaged up to gift. But also, if you're a holiday baker like myself, we're not doing the traditional cookie exchanges
Right.
anymore. But that doesn't mean, Annette, that I still don't want to bake for an army, and I'm still going to do that. So I picked up a lot of reusable containers, so little boxes and tins. One of my favorites is the chocolate crinkle cookie. It's nice and fudgy with dark chocolate, and this to me is just such a beautiful gift because I love gifting something like this to someone. I may not be doing it in person. I might be just packing it up and leaving it on a porch or a doorstep. And of course, adding some of the traditional Lindor milk chocolate truffles that look like little ornaments. This to me makes any moment better. And I think it also shows a nice appreciation.
And that you're
Also, one
thinking about them.
exactly, that you've taken the time. And even though I love baking and gifting, I also love receiving wonderful chocolate goods. So if you want to find some beautiful recipes for inspiration for your holiday baking, shop.lindt.ca. You can also find an array of holiday products there as well. And this is just me letting people know that I do love receiving chocolate as much as I love gifting it.
Sending it out there.
Yes. And also, if you know someone who's a great, who loves to make in the kitchen, so for yourself, you could gift yourself. KitchenAid has a new cordless suite of handheld appliances. So this means cutting the cord. You can take this wherever you want in your kitchen or your dining room. So there's three appliances. There's the hand mixer, the food chopper, and the hand blender. What I love about this is that on one charge, the mixer, for example, can do up to 200 cookies, and they're very easy to charge. And this means that if you're like me and you have one outlet in your kitchen, which is back there, and you usually deal with extension cords, you can actually move around and make things. So this is a beautiful gift for someone, a food lover on your list.
Good
Now,
idea.
when it comes to having something beautiful for the holidays, I'm a big fan of the Louis M. Martini Cabernet Sauvignon from the Napa and Sonoma counties. Now, they've been doing beautiful wines for over 85 years. For something more fruit forward, there's the Louis M. Martini Sonoma County Cabernet Sauvignon. And then for something more full bodied, there's the Louis M. Martini Napa Valley Cab Sauvignon. And this is wonderful to have for your holiday feast or your small gathering, but also just a really stunning gift for the wine lover that you know. It's a real crowd pleaser. And I know every year I always say, like, because now we're a month out, that it's still, there's time to make up your thank you list in terms of people that you want to show appreciation for. I think this year, add a few people, add your neighbor, add the essential worker that you know that lives near you, your kid's
The
teacher, the
grocery
bus
store
driver.
clerk. Yeah.
Exactly. Those people that you could show like a little thanks for. So I love things this time of year because the holiday gift sets are out. So this is like popcorn seasoning for the popcorn lover. What you have got the hot sauce too for the person who loves a little bit of heat. It's also a great time to pick up your cards, your tags. So I've got these at Shoppers Drug Mart, but I will show you this giant one. This for the real hot sauce lover has 15 different hot sauces. So if you know someone who loves heat and flavor, this is perfect for them. And of
Okay.
course, stocking up on your tissues and gift bags. And then
Yeah,
one more
we've
thing
got
for
30 seconds
Ontario
left.
made.
Want to get the 40
Perfect.
Creek in.
Yes. So 40 Creek, of course, based out of Grimsby, Ontario. They celebrated their 20th anniversary this year. They have an Ontario made designation, which means it helps identify Ontario products. Now, the double barrel reserve whiskey is perfect for the whiskey lover. Extra aged vanilla notes, toasted spice, pecan, walnut flavors, perfect for the holidays.
Okay. Cheers to you for finishing that right to the second. Thank you, Pay.
Happy holidays.